Model, 2021 Renault Master Movano Ll35 Business Dci Luton box, van with rear ramp, no VAT. Body, white, Luton box. Mileage, 33,663. MOT, the 8th of February 2026. Engine, 2298 CCM 90-135 E60. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Bargain and first to see will buy. Features: 2 former keepers, parking sensors, electric windows, tailift in working order, reversing camera, 12 months MOT, cruise control, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap